Roses are red.
Violets
are blue.
Next is a pearl, man.
Summer.
Movies.
Episode 2.
The movie started.
We love camp
We love camp
and playing outside by the pool
and playing outside by the pool
and going on field trips.
and going on field trips.
They're all so cool.
They're all so cool.
Hugging our counselors
Hugging our counselors
when we're feeling blue.
when we are feeling blue.
Playing with our friends,
Playing with our friends,
most of them new.
most of them new.
Playing games on field day.
Playing games on field day.
There's so much to do.
There's so much to do.
Goodbye, summer camp.
Goodbye, summer camp.
We love you.
We love you. Roses are red. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Violets are blue.
I'll miss my new friends.
I'll miss my new friends.
And my counselors too.
And my counselors too.
Going on field trips are so much fun.
Going on field trips are so much fun.
And it was funny when Shane fell off stage.
And it was funny when Shane fell off stage.
Going to the gym and outside
Going to the gym and outside
is where we enjoy making new friends.
is where we enjoy making new friends.
Going to the pool.
Going to the pool, making new friends, making new friends,
And going on field trips.
and going on field trips.
It's what we love about summer camp.
It's what we love about summer camp. Yeah, we did it! Yay!
It's Friday, Friday. Going swimming on Friday.
Chilling in the bus seat.
Partying, partying.
Yeah.
Partying, partying.
Yeah.
Fun, 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 fun.
Gotta have my bowl, gotta have my cereal.
You know what really grinds my gears?
Why walk to the bus stop when your friends have a car?